Hi, I'm Steve, here with my wife Lucille, and we're at Lucille's Smokehouse. It's a great place to go to. And what I'm about to eat is I have my salad. Look at that, I have a little onion in it, cucumber, carrots, tomatoes. It's really a great salad, and I'm just waiting for them to bring their tomato vinaigrette dressing. Now, something I have tried, which I like, is this is called the watermelon iced tea. They even have little bits of watermelon inside of it. And it's so refreshing. It reminds me of my childhood because we used to eat a lot of watermelon. Look at this beautiful tomato vinaigrette dressing. It's really great. You should try it.
Okay, now we're about to eat lunch, and this is our food. Look at that, how massive it is.
This is the main course. Look at all that meat. I've got baby back ribs, I've got barbecue chicken, and I've got some succulent beef ribs, not to mention some white rice. That's the favorite. Anyone can make white rice, but not like Lucille's. And then look at this. I love grilled corn. Put a little butter on that and it tastes wonderful. It's great. Well, I'm almost done, but it is great. I love grilled corn. Let me wipe my face here. Look at this massive beef rib that I got at Lucille's Smokehouse. It's like a Fred Flintstone size. Do you even know who Fred Flintstone is anymore? Anyway, I'm going to taste this. Oh my God, it's great. If you haven't eaten at Lucille's barbecue in Southern California, you gotta try it. It's great. I recommend the beef rib, but also the baby back ribs. Just the whole place. Eat the whole, everything on the menu. It's so great. Talk to you later. If you want to join me, you can always come down. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Well, Lucille, we did it. We actually went to Lucille's Smokehouse, and we had a lot of fun. We've been there many, many times with, each other, as well as our daughter Arista and other friends as well. So, did you like Lucille's, or do you like it?
Of course, I like it a lot.
So, do you like rice, or do you like their ribs? Which one is better at Lucille's? The rice or the ribs? The rice. Well, yeah, maybe by a grain, but no, actually, the ribs are really super good. Wait, what about the whole atmosphere? Do you like the atmosphere that it has there? It's a southern atmosphere.
It's a good atmosphere.
Do you like their barbecue sauce? Well, that's the method style barbecue sauce, and that has the one thing is it's vinegar based and it has some ketchup in it as well, but it has a little bit of mustard. You're not a big fan of the yellow mustard, but it does have mustard. There's generally 3 different types of barbecue sauce they actually put on the table, and method style is one of them, and it has my own.
That's my favorite there.
And why do you like it?
Because it's not too spicy, it's not too sweet.
And one thing about Filipino food, my wife's actually Filipina, is that they have a lot of vinegar, a lot of their stuff. In fact, we use generally like soy sauce and vinegar mixed, kind of like a ponzu sauce, but that's what they do for a lot of their cooking, whether it's local or whatever it may be. Lucille, I don't know if they actually named the restaurant after you, but they may have,
Could be.
Yeah, could be, but likely not. Maybe it was after B.B. King's guitar he called Lucille. That's our video for Lucille's Smokehouse Barbecue. It's a great place, and I highly recommend it. So does my wife. We've gone there many times, and this is just one of the many times that we have been there for lunch. And again, great place for lunch and dinner. And whether it's the weekend or the weekday, it's a great place to go to. So I highly recommend it. My wife does too. So ciao for now.
That's all.